You're going to love this no-bake sweet treat. It is so satisfying. It is so easy to make with just 3 healthy ingredients. Okay, first step, you're gonna take out a banana. I prefer a ripe one because it's sweeter, and you're gonna slice that banana up into evenly spaced slices. And then you're going to take out some wax paper and put it onto a plate. And this is where all of the magic is going to happen. And then you're going to take that sliced up banana, and then you're just going to lay that banana out so that each of the pieces are flat. And next you're gonna take some peanut butter. It can be crunchy, it can be smooth. Almond butter also works amazing in this recipe. And you're just gonna take some and put them on half of your banana slices. And then you're gonna take the other half of the banana and just make them into cute little peanut butter banana sandwiches. If you have an odd number, you know what to do with that piece of banana. Okay, next you're going to take that peanut butter banana sandwiches and put them in the freezer. This is gonna be the hardest part because you're gonna have to wait at least 2 hours for them to be frozen. Once that time has passed and they are nicely frozen, take them out, and then you're gonna take some chocolate chips. If you are vegan and dairy-free like I am, make sure to use the right chocolate. You're gonna put that in a bowl, and then you're gonna put that into a microwave for about 30 seconds. Then you wanna check it. Mine actually took almost a minute. You just want them to be nicely melted. I know a lot of people add coconut oil to their chocolate, but I haven't found that that's necessary, and I don't think you need to do it, and who needs extra oil anyway? Okay, and then you're going to give your melted chocolate chips a little zhuzh, a little mix, and then you have a very important decision to make. Do you take your peanut butter banana slices and cover them completely in chocolate like I did here? Or do you take your peanut butter banana bites and dunk only half of it in chocolate? Let me know in the comment section which one you prefer. Regardless, this no-bake delicious treat is healthy, it is vegan, it is dairy-free, it is oil-free, it is gluten-free. For your free jumpstart guide to plant-based eating, check out plantbasedtracy.com. And for more healthy, easy, skinny recipes, please subscribe. I'd love to stay connected with you. And for another healthy, easy, skinny recipe video, check out this link.